Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Sheets automatically. This is incredibly useful if you want to protect your data and ensure you always have recent copies of your important spreadsheets without having to remember to do it manually. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to back up. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google apps and files are accessible. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet that you want to set up for automatic backups. This will open the sheet in a new view where you can start configuring the backup settings. Once your spreadsheet is open, look toward the top of the screen and click on Extensions. This is where you can add powerful tools to enhance your Google Sheets experience. For automatic backups, you'll need to install an extension called Sheet Director. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to do that first before proceeding with the rest of the setup. After Sheet Director is installed, click on Extensions again, find Sheet Director in the list, and click Start. This will launch the extension and prepare it for use. Now wait until the Sheet Director panel appears on the right side of your screen. Sometimes this can take a few moments, so just be patient while it loads. Once the panel appears on the right, you might notice it's still loading or initializing. Again, give it a bit of time to fully load. These extensions often need a moment to connect to your account and gather the necessary information before they're ready to use. When everything is ready and the loading is complete, you'll see options within the Sheet Director panel. Click on Google Sheets to specify that you want to perform actions related to your current sheet. This directs the extension to focus on the spreadsheet you have open. Next, you'll need to input a name for your backup task. Type something descriptive like automatic backup so you can easily identify it later if you need to manage or review your backup settings. Then look for the section labeled Select Service and click on Backup from the drop-down menu. This tells the extension that you want to create backup copies of your sheet. After selecting Backup, wait a moment while the extension processes your selection and prepares the next set of options. This loading time ensures that all the settings are properly configured before you move forward. Now focus on the Scheduler Settings section. Here, click on Run Automatically. This is the key feature that allows your backups to happen without any manual intervention. Once you enable this, the extension will handle everything for you on a set schedule. Then, click the drop-down menu to choose how frequently you want your backups to run. You'll see several options including hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. The choice depends on how often your data changes and how critical it is to have up-to-date backups. For this example, let's choose daily. This means your Google Sheet will be backed up automatically every single day, ensuring you always have a recent version saved. Once you've selected daily, click Execute to finalize and activate your backup schedule. Now wait until the process is complete. The extension will confirm that your automatic backup has been set up successfully. And that's it, your Google Sheet will now back itself up daily without you having to lift a finger. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.